Good afternoon. In last session we are studying about binary subtraction using 1's complement and 2's complement method and along with some computer coding systems, that one BCD and Axis3 BCD code. And addition to these computer codes, again two types of computer coding system. That one, third one is EBCD IC code and last one is ASCII code. What you mean by EBCD IC means it stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. The name itself says Extended Binary Coded Decimal for interchanging the codes, means it just extend to binary coded decimal. In BCD computer coded is used for 4-bit or 6-bit digits or 6-bit digits, but in case of EBCD we can extend it to 8-bit code. 8-bit characters can be used with these BCD. First 4 bits are set as zone digits, digits, and another 4 digits are set as for purpose of character representation. These 4 digits are changes from character to character. And this EBCD IC code is developed by IBM. It is developed by IBM company, International Business Machine. And these EBCD ICs are mainly used in a large computers, that is in mainframe computers. Hence this mainframe computer uses the 8-bit code representation. Hence total combination of characters will become 2:8, means 256 possibles are available for representing a character in BCD IC codes. And this is just extend to BCD code system. And last one is ASCII code. ASCII code is most popular in computer coding system, and ASCII stands for ASCII code. Fourth one, American Standard Code Information Interchange. American Standard Code Information Interchange. ASCII was developed by a university, ANSI. This is developed by this ANSI, means American National Standard Institute. ASCII code is developed by this ANSI, means American National Standard Institute. This is developed by Americans just for changing the information through use of this ASCII. It is a 7-bit code. ASCII is 7-bit code. In that, first 3 digits are set as zone and remaining 4 digits are represent a character. And it contains total of 7 bits, that in that 3 digits are set for zone and remaining 4 are shows the character. The total possible will become 128 possibles for representing a character in ASCII. ASCII code is a way to represent all the characteristics, means that character will be alphanumeric or any other special symbols. For example, in special symbol means, for example, at ASCII value for at in ASCII code representation is 64, and for same question mark ASCII code will be 63. And for ampersand ASCII code will be 38, and along with for hash it will be 35. These are representation of a ASCII code for these special symbols. Means while giving in input data you can write along with the at, it cannot understand what you meaning by at, it just understand its ASCII value 64, and after that its 64 should be converted to binary code. And along with this it can also represent numbers for the alphabets also. For A, capital A, ASCII value will be 65, and for B, capital B, ASCII value will be 66, and same capital Z ASCII value will be 90. Means this ASCII code will be set for a particular character in this system, and for small a ASCII value will be 97, and for small b it will be 98, and along with for small z ASCII value will be 122. These are some ASCII codes represented for every character, that may be a alphanumeric or it may be a any special characteristics. ASCII it mainly used in microcomputers. It mainly used in microcomputers. Hence, microcomputers uses the 8-bit code for data representation. So, hence ASCII code will be extended to 7-bit to 8-bit code. It will be just extended from 7-bit to 8-bit because it is used in the microcomputers. Then possible values for this ASCII code, it becomes 2:8, means there are also 256 possibles for showing the characters. 256 in that 120 are for standard ASCII and remaining 120 are extended ASCII codes. 120 are standard ASCII codes. standard ASCII codes, means 0 to 128, and remaining 128 are, these are extended ASCII code. Extended ASCII code. Understood? ASCII code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, means this is a standard code developed by Americans in ANSI, means American National Standard Institute. This is just developed for purpose of showing a value for some special characters also, alphabets and numerical values also. See here, char x equal to at. If you write like this, means if you give a input data like through to computer, means it cannot understand what you mean by at. And here char is data type, means it just shows that which type of a data you can study it later, what are the data types and all. And x is called variable. This at is nothing but a value assigned to variable, means this value is assigned to this variable. Here we cannot understand, means computer cannot understand what is at. Hence through help of ASCII code we can, a computer should be understandable what is at. Means see, char equal to char x, it means you can also write as 64. These are both are same, means along with help of ASCII code we can represent at as 64 also. Just is that data should be correct, and after that the converters will be what they will be do. 64 should be, means it is a binary number, sorry it is a decimal number, then it is converted to equivalent binary number, and hence after that the computer should be understood what is data will be given. In this way ASCII codes will be helpful for representing a data. Understand what is EBCD IC codes and ASCII codes. Along with in last session we are studying BCD and XS3 codes. These four computer coding systems are help for represent a data in a computers. We solve some more examples on binary subtraction using 1's complement and 2's complement. Just take example from your review questions. At the end of the chapter there will be some review questions. Just take an example from that is 54 minus 87. This is using 1's complement method. Subtraction using 1's complement method. First you write, this is a type of case 2, means here menu end is less than subtrahend. Here subtrahend is greater than menu end. Means just write a binary equivalent for both. For 54 using 648421 code. You can also take 32 position. (32 plus 16) 48, and 48 8th position will be 0. 48 plus 4 50, 52, and 52 plus 2 54, and again 1th position will be 0. You can write a equivalent BCD code should be from left to right. You can check which positional value will be suitable for this code just from left to right. This is a binary equivalent for 54. Check once again. 32 plus 16 48, 48 plus 4 52, and 52 plus 2 54, and 1th position will be 0. And for 87 32 you can just small, hence you take 64 also. 64 plus 32 it will become 96. Again you just take a 0 for 32th position. 64 plus 16 become 80, and hence it will become, this is also 8th position also 0, and for it becomes 84. 84 plus 2 86, and plus 1 87. The equivalent binary number for 87 is 10101111. 101011. This is our main subtraction. This is menu end, and this is subtrahend. Subtraction using 1's complement means you first take a 1's complement of this subtrahend. Menu end is right same as it is 110, and what will be subtrahend become? Just complements means you can just interchange 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 1 0 1 0 0 0, and this is add 0 1 1 1 1, it will become 0 1. Here this after adding we will get 1 0 1 1 1. Here carry will not be generated. Carry will not be generated. Hence we take a recomplement of that answer. Recomplement of answer. It becomes, after recomplementing this answer means 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. It is our final answer. Just check it, its equivalent decimal number. See, 1 4th 2th position will be 0, 4th will be 0, 16th will be 0, sorry 8th will be 0, 16th will be 0, it is 32th position will be 32 plus 1 is 33. Just cross check it. 87 minus 54, 3. This answer will be minus 33. Hence, this is also a final answer is equivalent to minus 33. This is a negative sign. Here it shows the negative integer 33. And to the final answer, you just wrote a minus sign for indicating a negative integer. It is 1's complement of substance. One's complement of substance. And after this is a final difference. Final difference, recomplement. This is a method of binary subtraction using 1's complement in case if it is minuend is less than subtrahend. Understand? Binary subtraction using 1's complement. Let's solve another one example. minus 25 using 2's complement method. Using 2's complement method, first write a binary equivalent for both. For 72, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. For 73, it will become 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Just check it. 64 plus 8, 72 plus 1, 73. And for 25, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1, 25. For 73 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And for 25, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is minuend, this is substrate. This is our main subtraction. First, what will you do? Just take a 2's complement of a substrand. For 2's complement means, how we will get 2's complement? 1's complement plus 1. Plus 1. 1's complement is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. And after adding this to 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. After doing 2's complement of this substance, it will become 1 1 0 0 1. One 0 0 1 0 0. Write a menu end as same it is, and for 2's complement of substance will be 1 0 0 1 1 1. After add both menu end and 2's complement of a substance, it will become 1 1 1 0, carry will be 1, again 1 1, carry will be 1, and sum will be 0. 1 1, carry will be 1, sum will be 0. 1 1, carry is 1, sum is 0. 1 1, and here 1 0. Here just this is a 2's complement method of case 1. Here menu end is greater than substance, means just discard the carry and write the final difference. This is our final difference for this subtraction. Its equivalent decimal will be 1 position will be 0, 2th position will be 0, 4th is 0, 8th is 0, 16 plus 32 means 48. Say just cross check, 23 minus 25, 73 minus 25, it will be 8, and 7 minus 3 is 48. This is also equivalent to 48. While writing a final difference, just don't add this 0 because it shows again negative integer. Apart from this 0, we can just write this last answer 1 1 0 0 0 0. This is our final difference. This is menu end, 2's complement of a substance, it is substance, and it is a final difference. In case if it is carry is not at all generated, means you can again take a 2's complement of that answer, and after that we get a final difference and place a negative sign in front of that binary number to showing a negative integer. This is a way of binary subtraction using 2's complement method in case menu end is greater than substance. Just try this binary subtraction for using 1's and 2 complement method. Thank you.